Hey, it's the Master Stylist, and I am back with another video. She is getting a virgin relaxer and a pixie cut. If y'all don't know, this is Naturally TC. I don't know if she changed her YouTube name, but it might be under Tori Christina. I don't know. So before we do anything, I always cut first. So we're going in with our Big Mag clipper. I like the clipper. It's lightweight. It is cordless. The charging lasts a long time because I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I don't charge it for days. And it works for me. I'm not a barber per se, so I don't feel like I need like an extra expensive clipper for what I do. But it works. If you want the link to this, I'll link it in the description box, or you can check out my Amazon storefront and it'll be under things I use in the salon. Now, my shear of choice is Hanzo Nation. I love their shears. I mean, they are pretty expensive. I believe this one was like $900. However, I do have some inexpensive shears that works okay. But once you get a high quality shear, I'm telling you, you can't go back, because you definitely can tell the difference.
Me twice.
I always say that the haircut is the hairstyle. So that was her request for me. The haircut is the hairstyle. And when I say that, I mean when your hair is flat or, not curled, and you can just shampoo it, mold it and wear it flat and it still looks good because it's cut right. You don't need, a bunch of curls and stuff like that, because the haircut is the hairstyle. I have my assistant basing her scalp really well, and this is Nairobi Space. I'm also using Nairobi Relaxer as well. She is, she has some coarse hair, so I think we used the super on her, or either we did the no lie at full strength. So I decided to put a clear coat on her hair. It's by Paul Mitchell, and all it does is just give the hair some extra shine, because a lot of times certain hair tones is just the tone of the hair. It just looks, ashy or dry. So this will give her some extra shine with minimal effort, and she won't have to drown her hair in products per se. And we let that sit on for 15 minutes under the dryer.
Team DMS.
Okay, so she is back from getting the clear coat rinse off, and we're going in with Main Life Collection Main Mint Foam, and I'm just going to mold her hair down flat. We're gonna do a little razzle dazzle in the front, not much, and she's gonna go under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And the clipper I'm using is, it's a trimmer by Babyliss Pro. We do have it linked in my Amazon storefront. You can check it out there, or you can check your local beauty supply store. Alright, for some heat protectant and some added shine, we're going to add in a little bit of main glaze on her hair, and we're going to get started curling with our Main Life Collection 3/10 flat iron.
Team DMS.
Then I put a little bit of main oil in my hands, and I'm just going to put that on her hair, and I'm combing her hair out using my nails.
Team DMS.
A cut like this, the haircut is the hairstyle, so there's very minimal at-home maintenance. Just make sure you come in for your regular routine touch-ups and things of that nature. She's definitely loving it. So you guys, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you again for the next video.